Hello folks, I was shooting an Instagram live and the connection went off, so I'm back again. I was telling you guys that I walked from Bandstand till Ganesh Nagar slums. Ganesh Nagar slums is where the Visarjan takes place, and this is a community of people that are in various jobs, and they work as security and they work as, whatever, domestic help, electricians or whatever. I don't know much about them, but one of the family has been very good to me. Every time I come there, they give me a cup of tea. Today I could not find them. So this is Mumbai, and they are living on the seashore, bang opposite Mr. Shah Rukh Khan's house. So now I'm at Mount Mary. I walked up Kane Road. I'm really tired, and after almost 18 to 20 days, I'm walking. I had stopped walking completely because of the rains. It was terrible. And I don't play tennis anymore. So my blood sugar in the morning has really shot up. It used to be 100, 120, 150. Now it's gone up to 200. So I've increased my insulin. So this is Mount Mary, Pride of Bandra. And it's a very peaceful place. Father Neris Rodericks, the Monsignor, I knew him for last 25, 30 years. And just before his death, I met him with Felix. Felix is a person who stays at Baroda Road. And Felix is the one who does the the walk from Azad Maidan to Mount Mary. So this is Mount Mary. Now I've talked so much to you all guys. I will show you Mount Mary. This is Mount Mary. The Mount Mary Church is shut because of the pandemic and the lockdown. But the followers of Mother Mary, they are always here. This is a superb place. You could go up and light candles, but they have stopped that even. They put a lock on both the sides, so you can't go on top. And that is the cross. There are these few shops that sell candles, symbolic items. But now from here I shall walk down. Good Luck will be closed because he opens later. I take a rickshaw and go home. So this is for you all. Once again. That is Mount Mary. The church is closed. This is the chai wala. These are the candle stalls. It's not raining anymore. Some of these candle stall guys are my friends. How are you? Yeah, I had a bypass surgery, na? Yeah. I had a bypass surgery in December. I come here, I never used to see you. This is my very old friend. He's the very humble man, very honest, very genuine. And this is all he sells. See?
You're staying in Bazaar Road?
Yeah, I stay in Ashish Shaila's building. Highland Court. So this is it. So how are you? वो आपका दूसरा भाई किधर गया? आपका ब्रदर इन लॉ था मेरे ख्याल से. अच्छा. No, I bought the beads from him. I bought the wooden beads. So, the church is closed. This is Mount Mary. Mostly during the lockdown, people walked over here. क्या बोला थोड़ा दर्शन कर लेता हूँ. So, so this is once you could go inside, you could walk from the back steps, but that is closed now. Bas dua hai. And that is the Shanti Avedna Sadan. When people are in a terminal cases come here and they are treated free. So this is it. How are you? Business?
No people know what to do.
Really bad, huh?
This pandemic is only nothing to do.
She is my oldest friend. She is a very hard-working lady.
No business, nothing.
The chai walas, they are the chai walas. Mount Mary.
No one is helping us also.
What about the parish?
Parish is closed and nothing.
Okay. They should help you all here. Last year also you didn't have the fair, no?
No, last year also no fair.
2 years, no fair.
2 years no fair.
What do you think about this September?
This year also no fair. It's already declared.
Anyway, wish you all the best, sir. Take care. Huh? So this is the story. और बाबा चाय वाले साहब कैसे हो? मैडम को अच्छी चाय दो. मैडम मुझको तो चाय पिलाती नहीं है.
बहुत दिनों के बाद.
हाँ?
बहुत दिनों के बाद.
हाँ, तो वो हार्ट का था ना मेरा प्रॉब्लम. कितनी चाय बेचते हो दिन में? अच्छा. So this is the tea man. That is Sayyid, as I told you all. Now this road leads to the old house of Jackie Shroff called Papillon. He left that place a few years back. And so this is a very expensive area of Bandra. This road leads to Yauman Apartments, the Khoja, Ismaili Khoja citadel of Bandra. And these are all. So guys, I hope you like my IG TV videos. I show you Bandra, where I stay. I have 2 cameras, DSLR, but I don't use them at all. It's been almost 2 years now. और दरगाह जा रहे हो. So these are devotee of Jafar Bapu Mastan, Rafai. This is Ashuda Kudir. All rich people stay here. Once upon a time there used to be a bungalow here called Sunkist, but then now a tower has come up. Things have really changed. Mount Mary. I wish they had a Twitter live, because I have more friends on Twitter than on Instagram. So you guys should add me on Twitter if you can, because most of my photography is posted on this as a micro photography site, Twitter. So now I shall end the video here. Wish you all the best. So friends, hope you all are all safe. When your turn comes, get the jab. Very, very important. I've been telling people in my area, there are a lot of people that are hesitant to take the vaccine, especially, I should not mention it, but especially Muslim women living in the slum pockets. They have a very different notion about the vaccine. And there is no Muslim leader that talks to them and explains to them. I mean, because now it could be possible if the mosques were open, but the mosques are closed. So the message of the vaccine is lost on these people. I tell them, जैसे वो सिर्फ 50% बचेंगे हमने कहा 50% भी तो अच्छा है कम से कम, और नहीं होगा तो आप क्या होगा फिर? But they don't understand. But I am happy that I am able to talk about the vaccine and tell them to get themselves vaccinated. The vaccine is very important. But then these are poor people, you know. And then the poorest of the poor are the beggars, the abandoned, the homeless. I don't know when their turn is going to come. They are the unvaccinated people of Mumbai or Bandra, whatever you call it. So I had a client living here on Monmouth. This is where Mr. Jackie Shroff used to stay, Papillon. I used to come here. I've done a lot of films with, and I'm still very close to Mrs. Aisha Shroff, mother of Tiger, wife of Jackie Shroff, because Aisha's mother, she is from Belgium, and her husband's clothes were being made by me, styled by me, about 35 years back at Burlington's, where I worked at Taj Mahal. So she has never forgotten me. Mother used to always speak to me in French, and till today I'm so happy that I'm connected with Mrs. Shroff. She's a brave woman. She's undergone so much of sufferings, and you know, she's withstood all that, and I salute her, and she knows it, because I did a lot of work with her. Then there near the banyan tree is a building called Neelam. Used to be one of my clients. He died recently, a few years back, Mr. BP Agarwal. He was a distributor with Mahesh Bhatt and Mukesh Bhatt. But then they separated. I have stopped coming here. I wish him Om Shanti. So now we'll take a rickshaw most probably. And I thank you all for seeing my Bandra, and wish you all the best once again. I'm not very good at Instagram Live. At the moment, as I told you all guys, I'm working on my archives. I'm trying to make the largest Sufi library on YouTube. Mostly Kalandris and Rafais, Malangs, and concentrating more on the Qadri Rafai Silsila in Mumbai. All the dargahs in Mumbai, I'm thankful. I've shot them because of Mr. Nasir Bhai Rafai, Nasir Bhai Rafai Noreen. He gave me an opportunity to shoot dargahs where I had never been. I'm not a dargah hopper. I'm a Shia. I come from a totally Shia background. The first dargah that I used to go there because of my friend Fazal Khan, canteen manager of Strand Cinema, was Bauddin Shah Baba's dargah at Liberty. And then later on, Makhdum Shah Baba, Fakhruddin Shah Baba, Ismail Shah Baba, Haji Malan, Ajmer Sharif, Delhi, Makhanpur, saw all this. I mean, I am accidentally into Sufism as a photographer. And what I'm trying to do, irrespective, I'm shooting Shiaism, Muharram, only Muharram segment, and Ashura in different parts of the city where Shias are. Hinduism, I don't think anybody has shot as much as I have. the Aghoris, the Naga Sadhus, the Hijra Tantrics, the Kinara Khada. I have shot almost every aspect of that. I've shot the Kumbh Melas, I've shot Khamakya. And Sufism, as you know, I have walked from Delhi to Ajmer 550 kilometers in an event called Shadia. And it's an amazing event. So that is it. I'm documented the Jesuits. My Jesuit guru is Father Vaughan. So this is it. I have no issue with what your religion is. I have no issue with your beliefs. But you should let me do what I am doing. I don't talk bad about any religion. I don't talk bad about it. I stay away from diatribe. I stay away from politics. I wish you all the best. Take care.